All is set for the submission of the draft Bangsamoro Basic Law or BBL to the Senate and the lower house tomorrow. The transmittal ceremony will be held in Malacanang. President Aquino himself will endorse the BBL for priority legislative action by both House of Congress. According to Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma, the President and MILF Chairman Alhaj Murad met last week to clarify and resolve issues in the BBL. He said the meeting resulted in the clarification and resolution of issues pertaining to the details of the implementation of the peace agreement that are embodied in the draft law. Rocky Ignacio reports.
The meeting between President Aquino and MILF Chairman Alhaj Murad Ibrahim paved the way for the final draft of the Bangsamoro Basic Law. The high-level meeting held at Malacanang last September 4 provided an avenue for both leaders to fine-tune significant provisions of the bill.
There is a sense of urgency because of the time frame, and both leaders deemed it important that this draft Bangsamoro Basic Law be completed. That's why they took the opportunity to meet face-to-face together with the other significant participants in this process, from the Philippine and the MILF panels. And as I said, the meeting was able to clarify and resolve issues pertaining to the details, because while the agreement was already framed previously in the framework and then in the comprehensive agreement, the basic law provides the enabling or implementation details, and all of the concerns were sufficiently resolved to the satisfaction of both sides throughout that process, culminating in the meeting between the President and Chairman Murad last week.
The Chief Executive and Murad have agreed to finally endorse the Bangsamoro Basic Law to Congress after presidential review of the proposed bill. Secretary Coloma said this is one proof of the sincerity of the government and the MILF to attain lasting peace in Mindanao.
Bilang niya na katulad nung nakaraan nilang pagpupulong ni Chairman Murad, it was evident that they have a meeting of the minds. Dahil nga doon sa mataas na antas ng pagtitiwala nila sa isa't isa. At yung pagkakaisa nila hinggil sa kahalagahan ng proseso ng kapayapaan.
A ceremonial submission of the final draft of the Bangsamoro Basic Law to Congress will be held in Malacanang tomorrow, September 10. The Bangsamoro Basic Law, once passed into law, will abolish the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao and establish a new political entity to be called the Bangsamoro.
Well, the preparations have to do with seeing to it that the document to be transmitted or to be conveyed by the President to the Senate President and to the Speaker of the House faithfully represents the agreement between the Philippine government and the MILF.
The historic signing of the comprehensive agreement on the Bangsamoro between the government and the MILF will pave lasting peace in the region after almost 2 decades. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.